Welcome to Mella's channel. Let's have fun. And today we are doing All Star Pogs. Today we have here the All Star Pogs. I got it in a bundle and it's a lot, but we'll see what we have inside this bundle of Pogs. And I think I would really have fun looking at the artworks for this one. But let's see. Let me bundle them up first. Then let's see the first. We have Pokemon, Naruto, 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 Pokemon, and here's the look of the pack. And we got Mobile Legends, Dragon Ball, Ben 10, Ben 10, Dragon Ball. So far, we have Mobile Legends, Ben 10, Naruto, Pokemon, and I think about 4, 5 cartoons. And we have Naruto, Dragon Ball, Mobile Legends, and these pogs are really great if you have friends to play with and get everything to win. And we have Mobile Legends, we got Ben 10, we got Dragon Ball, Naruto, Mobile Legends, Dragon Ball, Mobile Legends, Pokemon, Ben 10, Dragon Ball, Ben 10, Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball, Mobile Legends, Mobile Legends, Dragon Ball, Ben 10, Ben 10. And so far, I have noticed that the Ben 10 and the Pokemon ones are the best artwork for these Pogs, this set. And we got Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball, Ben 10, Ben 10, Pokemon, Mobile Legends, Mobile Legends, Naruto, Pokemon, Naruto, Pokemon, Mobile Legends, Naruto, and also I have noticed that a lot of these pogs is not really centered but still okay as long as it's playable. And here we have Ben 10, Dragon Ball, Pokemon, Dragon Ball, Mobile Legends, Naruto, Pokemon, Mobile Legends, Dragon Ball, Ben 10, Pokemon, Pokemon, Mobile Legends. Oh, we have here Pokemon, Naruto, Pokemon, Pokemon, Ben 10, Naruto, Pokemon, Naruto, Pokemon, Ben 10, Ben 10, Pokemon, Ben 10, Dragon Ball, Mobile Legends, Naruto, Mobile Legends, Mobile Legends, Naruto, 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 Ben 10, Dragon Ball, Mobile Legends, Pokemon, and also I did cut a lot of things since most of the art for this have repeated a lot, so I did not really film the whole bunch. I edited out a lot and it's still a lot. And we have here Naruto, Pokemon, Naruto, Naruto, Dragon Ball, Ben 10, Mobile Legends, Mobile Legends, Dragon Ball, Ben 10, Ben 10, Pokemon, Ben 10, Pokemon, Ben 10, Dragon Ball, Mobile Legends, Pokemon, Naruto, Pokemon, Pokemon, Naruto, Pokemon, Naruto, Dragon Ball, Pokemon, 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 Mobile Legends, Dragon Ball, Mobile Legends, and upon sorting things out, the most character that we had was Mobile Legends. Then next was the Ben 10. Then the next thing that has a lot was Dragon Ball. Then we have the Naruto. And lastly, we really had a few Pokemon for some reason. It really just depends since these are assorted Pogs. And we have Ben 10, Pokemon, Ben 10, Naruto, Pokemon, Dragon Ball, Ben 10, Pokemon, Ben 10, Mobile Legends, Dragon Ball, Naruto, Mobile Legends, Mobile Legends, Naruto, Mobile Legends, Pokemon, Naruto, Pokemon, and also I do have different kind of shorts for the Pogs. For this bundle of Pogs, I'll not be doing shorts anymore. It will be just this long video. But the other Pogs that I had first only have shorts. It doesn't have a longer video. And I do also other card opening, not only Pogs.
Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.